You searched how to buy shares of Vipshop Holdings Ltd-ADR, and this video shows the basic steps. Vipshop is an online discount retailer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VIPS. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will generally need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VIPS to find Vipshop Holdings Ltd-ADR. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movement. Verify the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the correct Vipshop stock. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if there are insufficient funds to complete the purchase. Once the order fills, your Vipshop position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.